Hello and welcome to another tutorial of Microsoft PowerPoint. Today, I am excited to show you my 5 PowerPoint tips and tricks that I use for image. If you want to jump around any trick, use the timestamp from the video description. Let's start the video. Trick number 1. Let's imagine you want to cover this slide with this picture. One way to perform this task is to stretch this corner to the right and the left. But don't do it. It will affect the image proportion and it will decrease the image quality. Another approach to perform the same task is to stretch top and bottom corners. It's good, but you can see this brings image outside the slide area. Third and the best approach, select your image, go to picture format, select crop and aspect ratio. Select 16.9. That's the PowerPoint slide size. Now adjust your picture inside this frame. Once you are done, click on the blank area, drag your image to the corner of the slide and resize it from the corner points of the image. Your image is completely on your slide, maintaining its proportion or the aspect ratio. Trick number 2. Imagine you have this picture and you want to replace this green area by an image placeholder. How you can do it? Select the picture, go to picture format, from the adjust group select color and from the color choose set transparent color. Now click on this green area. This green area is now transparent. To convert this transparent area by our image placeholder, copy this image, Ctrl C, go to view, slide master, insert a new layout, remove everything, paste picture from the slide master, master layout, insert placeholder and picture. Drag it to create a image placeholder inside this transparent area. Now close this master view for the slide master tab. Change the layout of this slide, this one. Now select the picture. Now I have an image placeholder on this slide. Trick number 3. It's similar to trick number 2, but in this case we have a gradient. For the gradient, again we are going to select the picture, go to picture format, remove background, and here we have two options. Either we can mark the areas that we want to keep, either we can mark the areas that we want to remove. In this case, I am interested to mark the areas to keep. Select it and just drag the pen over the areas that you want to keep. Now select keep change and this picture is now transparent. And we will use the same technique that we have used in trick number 2 to create the placeholder. Copy this image, go to view, slide master, insert a layout, remove all the elements from this layout, paste your image from the slide master tab, insert a image placeholder, and that's it. Now go to slide master tab, close the master view, change the layout, click on the image and select any image that you would like to insert in this area. Trick number 4. Let's suppose you have this image. You want your slide to be covered by this image. We have already learned in trick number 1. You also want to write something on this image. For that, let's insert a text box and type my text area. Oops, we can't see anything. Let's increase the font size. Again, we can't see anything. For that, we will use gradient in this text box. Select your text box, go to shape format. From this shape style, click on this arrow and now select gradient field. Select a combination of two colors. The first one will be your white color. Second one, you can choose any color. I am choosing black for this example. Now choose your white area from the gradient and place its transparency to 100%. You can also insert another stop to give a new shade to your image. like this. Now your text is visible, your image is covering your slide, and that's it. Trick number 5, we are going to duplicate this slide. Select the slide and press Ctrl D. Now, if I select this picture, go to picture format and click on crop, I can see that this picture has covered unused area. This will increase my file size. Just select the picture, go to picture format, from the edges, click compress picture. Don't change any of the option, just press OK. Now to validate whether this unused area has been removed, select the picture, go to crop, and here we can see all the unused areas are removed by PowerPoint. Last, the bonus trick. Imagine you have this image and you want to create reflection of this child on the slide. How you can do it? Very simple. Copy the image and paste it. Go to picture format. From the arrange, select the rotate object and flip horizontally. You can resize this image. You can rotate the image. You can adjust transparency. Again, paste the image. Go to rotate. Rotate it to 90-degree left. Adjust the transparency, color shade. And this is how you can create an image reflection effect on your slides. If you like these tricks, share it with your friends. Let us know your feedback in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.